What is up, you guys? It's Ica and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a 5-minute makeup challenge, which this is basically a finished look. So if you want to see how it all happened, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's do this. I have my everyday makeup kit right in front of me. I'm gonna set my timer here on my iPad, so we are gonna put 5 minutes on the clock. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I've never actually tried it, but usually my everyday makeup only takes 5 minutes. But if I want to do full face, I know I can do it as quick as 10 minutes, but I've never tried 5 minutes. I'll put 5 minutes in here. So okay, we're gonna do this in 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to talk too much because I need to focus. I kind of thought about this. I don't think I would want to do foundation because then it'll take too much of my time, you know. I feel like I should have put free moisturizer on first. I definitely didn't do that. I'm just gonna do powder foundation. I don't even know how much time. Like, my goal is be able to do my lashes. Three minutes. Okay, I can work with that. Oh shit. Oh my god. Too much here. 1 minute and 47. Okay. Yeah, okay, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put lashes on. Probably just use mascara then. And I never use mascara, so it's gonna be weird. Minute left. Forgot to do brow bone. I don't know why. $50 seconds. Yeah, pretty much almost done. Keep switching between palettes, not good. Seconds. This is me literally doing my face. This is me putting bronzer, and I'm almost out, so that's not good. 16 seconds. Yeah, I think I'm good. Oh my god. 5 seconds. Ah! Okay. Well, this is basically my everyday look anyways, minus the eyeshadow. I couldn't even like put freaking lip balm on my lips. Anyway, so this is me with my 5-minute makeup challenge. I think I did pretty good actually. Okay, let me put my hair down so like it kind of looks a little bit better. You know, look a little bit put together. Anyways, if you guys want me to do more challenges, mostly like makeup challenges, then give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I literally was throwing brushes everywhere.